Good morning, team.
Yeah, very good morning.
Yeah.
Guys.
Then we can start the session.
Yes, good morning.
Cool, guys. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? All good, guys.
Ready to, yes, good. Ready to go.
Cool. So, guys, we will start the content in 2-3 minutes. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you guys can go ahead. I hope all of you have attended the previous session. Is there anyone in the class, like for whom this is the first session? Anyone in the class who's meeting for the first?
I don't think so. No question yet.
Yeah, I am joining today's section. But
Okay.
I go to the recording.
You went through the recording?
Yes, yes.
Cool. So you are clear what is Power Platform, what we will be doing here in KSR?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi Indra, for me also this is the first session.
First session? Good. Have you went through the recording?
Yes.
Are you clear what we did in the first session?
Yeah.
Cool. So, guys, one question for you. We discussed yesterday. So, what will be the module 1 of our course?
Power BI.
Very good. So, we will be starting with the module 1, guys. And every module we will start from very scratch. So, the people who are already aware about some basic concepts. So, for them, the first few sessions, it might sound like it is very, very basic. But we have designed the course in such a way that everyone should be able to cope up. Okay. So we will start from very scratch. We will start every topic, every, I would say, module with the product walkthrough, how the product looks like, and then we will move towards the advanced features. You already know, like we have seen, discussed that in the first session, right? Like what we will be covering. Cool. So I hope, guys, my screen is visible to each one of you. You are able to see the KSR screen.
Yes.
Cool. So, guys, welcome back to KSR Datavision. This is the second free preview session of the Power Platform with AI and Copilot batch. Okay. So, today we will be starting with the module 1 of the batch, guys. So, module 1 was Power BI. So, what we will be discussing today, I will be introducing you to the Power BI. Then I will be telling you the steps how to install the Power BI desktop. So then we will be getting familiar with the Power BI desktop product. Okay. And then from Monday onwards, we will start working on the first report. First Power BI report. Clear?
Okay, Indra.
Basically, we will start with the Power BI project. Okay. So everything we will learn with the project driven approach. Cool. So guys, when I say Power BI, What you know about Power BI?
It's a
What is
business
Power BI?
tool.
It's a
We can
visualization
get
tool.
business insights with that tool. We can create reports to identify how the business is going, like this.
Okay. Yeah, guys, give me your thoughts. I'm expecting answers from most of you.
This is
It's
a dashboard of business intelligence.
Okay. Yeah, Pranika, go ahead.
it is for data analysis purpose.
Okay, very good.
Visually, we can analyze the data.
Okay.
It's a reporting tool. We can
Okay.
dig the data where we can get the more insights of the data.
Okay.
Converting big data into easily visualizable insights.
Okay. Good, guys. Keep on giving your answers until I'm not asking you to stop.
Converting raw data into a meaningful business insights.
Very good. Cool. So let me try to collect all the information that you have given and let me try to give you a meaningful definition of Power BI. Right? So Power BI is nothing, guys. It is a business intelligence tool or data visualization tool, right? So I will say it's a data visualization tool which will help you convert raw data actionable insights, right? Agree?
Yes.
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 When I say actionable insights, you're able to understand, right? Like you will be getting insights from the data sets and then you will be taking actions on that insights, right? Like suppose you are creating a Power BI report and you are able to see the top 5 vendors, right? So you can go ahead and create action, take any action on those top 5 vendors. Might be you can send them goodies, right? Might be you can send them some incentive program. Similarly, like if you are able to get the bottom 5 vendors, might be you can send them warning, right? Might be you can send them a letter to improve their sales and all, right? So business will be taking actions on those, and it's a part of Power Platform as well as
Data analytics.
Fabric,
Part
right?
of Fabric.
Yeah, Fabric.
Cool. So guys, you know what is the competitor of Power BI in the market in the data
Fabric.
visualization space?
W.
Tableau, right? But this thing, Power BI is way ahead in the game, right? Are you
Yes.
aware?
Yeah.
Cool. So, guys, this is what Power BI is. So, we will be working on Power BI for next 15 sessions at least. So, yeah, you will be hearing this word a lot. Is it clear to each one of you? Power BI. What is Power BI?
Yes.
Yes.
And the good news
Yes,
for you
yes.
is like as Power BI is a common thing in Power Platform and Fabric. So when we will go into Microsoft Power BI service, I will be telling you some Fabric capabilities also. Okay. So whatever is possible, we will be covering here. Okay. Cool.
Sure.
So now guys, next thing. So for Power BI report development, you need two things. Okay. One is Power BI desktop, which will be with the help of which you will be developing the report. Okay. So this is nothing more. This will be a desktop application. Okay. So now, guys, just try to think. If the report is already developed, you have completed the report development in your PC. This is your PC. Okay. Now report is done. The report development is done. This is you. Now you have to share the report with end users or business users. How you are gonna share? What are the various ways?
We can publish it through Power
Publish
BI
the
service.
report.
Service is fine. What are the other ways?
By using gateways.
With the help of gateway, will you be able to share the report? Again,
Yes.
again, like I don't want you to discuss anything that we have not discussed. I'm just expecting a common sense answer. That's it. I'm not
Actually, we can
expecting
take a screenshot and
keywords.
send it to the business users.
Very good. Very good. So, as Tushar said, he will take screenshot and send it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What
Else
are
we
other
can
ideas?
share like file also directly. We can save that file and we can share directly
Very good. You can
through
save a
Outlook.
file and share it with the help of email, right? File via email.
Yes.
Very
Or
good. Good.
share
What
drive.
else? Or some, I would say, shared location, right?
Yes.
Very good. This is what I'm expecting, guys. I don't want you to go ahead and give me keywords, right? So, as a common sense, you will be sending like this. What is the other thing that you can do?
We can save this file at any cloud.
Okay, might be OneDrive and you can give access to them, right?
Yes.
OneDrive or SharePoint.
One share point.
So all these are obvious things, right?
Yes.
So is there any issue with this thing, guys? Now suppose this is your data set on top of which you have created the report. Now in your data set, the data is updated, your report is updated, but will screenshot and the files that you have already shared, will it be updated?
No.
No.
Okay, very less response. What about others? Are you guys able to follow what
No.
I'm saying? Guys, able to follow what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
And similarly, guys, suppose you want to implement some security in the data. You don't want everyone to see everything in the report. So will you be able to control that in this way?
No.
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 No, right? So there are a lot many other things that obviously I will not discuss now, but these are the few very common things, right? So suppose I want to see the report after every 2 hours. So you are gonna send me report screenshot after every 2 hours then? You
No,
will
it's not
in the
possible.
night also you will sleep for 2 hours. Send me the screenshot. Sleep screenshot. That is
Mm.
not gonna work, right?
Yeah.
So that is not a feasible thing. So for this thing, for sharing and managing the stuff, Power BI have another component that is cloud service, which is called as Power BI service. Okay. So service is nothing but this is the cloud infrastructure that comes with the Power BI where you can host your Power BI reports. You can schedule the refresh. You can do lot of other things like deployment pipelines, like this thing, Power BI apps, create dashboards. Everything we can do here in Power BI service. And we will be covering it in a lot of detail. It is not only to host the Power BI report, it is much more than that. Clear? Power BI desktop and Power BI service. This is your desktop application. This is your cloud-based solution. I hope everything is making sense. Can I move ahead, guys?
Yes.
Cool. So now comes next step, like how to install Power BI desktop. How many of you have already worked on Power BI?
Actually, I worked on Power BI, but for just learning purpose on Power BI desktop.
Okay. Is there anyone in the batch who is already working on Power BI and his organization is asking to go ahead and upskill in Power Platform?
Yes, it's me.
Yeah, it's me also.
Okay. Priyanka, by any chance, are you from some previous batches?
No, no, no. Actually, this
Okay.
is the fresh one.
Okay. This is the second class
This is
that
the
you are ever
first one.
attending.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Actually, I didn't attend the first class also. This is the first class only for me.
okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
So, guys, what is happening in your organizations? The people who are attending from who are basically who wants to upskill already a Power BI developer. What is happening basically? Like what is your organization saying? That's what I was asking.
For me, no. Actually, upskill in the sense like I know the Power BI, like a few reports they gave me, and I have developed something. What my problem is like I'm in the right way or not, like so I just want to improve myself. So that is the main thing, and in that way I have to improve, like upskill in the sense like
Okay.
yeah.
And there was one more in the class, right? Tushar, right?
Yes, so in my case, Indrajit, they were using Excel for Excel and PowerPoint for the visualization and the presentation. Okay, and they send that Excel file to the client, but they want like the more advanced tool for the visualization. So they want me to upgrade myself in the Power BI.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So guys, just one thing that I want to share with you back in 2020, like if you want to what to say, switch into IT, so then the easiest path was to learn Power BI and SQL, and you will be into IT as a data analyst. But now this trend is little changing. So people are looking for either Power Platform or Fabric. Without all these things, with learning only Power BI, it is very hard to get breakthrough. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Fine, guys. So steps how to install Power BI, right? Let's go ahead and see how to install it. So guys, to install Power BI, you can go to Power BI desktop, search it, come here. You can click from here also directly, or you click here, go to the official thing, click on download, and a setup will be downloaded. It will be almost 831 MB, almost 850 MB, 150 MB short of 1 GB. Okay. So once it is downloaded, it is a normal executable file. Let it download, click on the executable file, click on next, 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 and it will be installed like any other software. You know, all of you must be knowing, right, how to install any software. Guys, you know that, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Indra.
Yeah.
Yes,
So it
Indrajit.
is a normal installation. Once it is downloaded, then you will be able to see like this Power BI desktop in the apps. Okay. Will you be able to install, guys?
Yes.
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 Very good. So let me show you how it looks like. So guys, if you want to create report from blank, so this is how it will look like. So there will be a lot of sections here and there. So today we will see like what are these section, and I will make you guys familiar with all these sections. Okay. So this is how it will look like. This is the pane where you have file, home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, and help menu. And these are the filters pane, visualization pane, and this is the data pane. And here you have four views: report view, table view, model view, and the DAX query view. And here you will be able to see all the Power BI, all the pages in the Power BI report. Okay. So now let me quickly go ahead one by one and show you what happens. So guys, in Power BI report, obviously you will be connecting with the data source, right? And then you will be creating a report on top of that. So how to connect with the data source, guys? You go to the home tab and you have get data. Click on get data. So these are all the common data sources. If you want to see the list of all data sources, just click on more. You will be able to see all the data sources which are supported by your Power BI. You have Google BigQuery, Snowflake, and you have these are the file related data sources like Excel, text, XML, JSON, folder, PDF, Parquet file, SharePoint folder. These are the databases: SQL Server, MS Access, SQL Server Analysis Services, Oracle, IBM, MySQL, PostgreSQL, right? Similarly, Microsoft Fabric, semantic models, data flows, data marts. So then you have Power Platform. Guys, what is this? Common data service?
So database,
It is the old
database.
name of
It is
Dataverse.
Dataverse. Yeah.
Very good. Hey, they have written legacy, right?
Yes.
So now, guys, can someone guess? They have already the new Dataverse. Why they kept common data service also?
Like
Mm,
pulling old
For the
data,
existing applications.
I did not got what you are saying.
like pulling
Sorry.
old data, old, I mean,
So
previous data
previous data.
there
for
might be
pulling.
some file formats which is not following in the Dataverse. So that's why if the data is in previous format, so they can connect to this legacy one, and if it is any new data, then they can directly connect to the Dataverse. It might. I mean, this is just I'm thinking.
Okay. Anyone else? Any other perspective, guys? Either? Any comments? So, guys, let me tell you, like, oh, I will keep on sharing all this kind of stuff, although it has nothing to take with Power Platform. It is just for your general knowledge. So, guys, in software development, whenever you are developing anything, like it is the normal principle of development. Let it be Power BI, let it be any product that you are working with, or any product that you are developing using Power Platform. So everything that you are doing, it should be backward compatible. Backward compatible. By backward compatible, what I means, like when you are introducing some new features, you should make sure that all the previous features should work fine. It is not like that you are introducing new feature and previous things starts breaking the moment you introduce. Now guys, just think, when Dataverse was not there, when it was called as common data service, at that time, might be there will be lot of people who have developed the Power BI reports, right? There will be thousands or millions of reports that must be already in production. So if Power BI people have go ahead and they would have completely removed the common data service. So all those reports must have broken, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right, guys. So it will be a blunder, right? So it will be all the reports, like suppose there will be more than million, but let us suppose a million reports across the world. So all those reports will be down in no time. So you can analyze the impact, right? Impact is very huge, isn't it? So that's why they have kept it there to comply with the principle of backward compatibility. This is just the fact that I'm sharing. Is it clear, guys?
Clear.
Cool. So now you have these are the Azure related connectors which are available. So you can connect with these many Azure services, Azure Databricks, Cosmos DB, Azure Cost Management, Resource Graphs. So you can go ahead and see all the data sources. You don't need to by heart anything, but just see these are the data sources which are there. Okay, and you can connect with automation anywhere also. There are lots of things, guys. Okay, other there are some other data sources. So guys, these are the data sources which are available and you can connect with them. And here you have the same data sources available, which are frequently used one. Excel workbook, OneLake, SQL, enter data. And data means if you want to create a table manually, you can do that. And Dataverse. And if you click on recent sources, you will be able to see all the recent sources that I have connected in the Power BI. So now guys, what is the database that comes out of the box with Power Platform? It's a question.
That
Name of the database. Sorry.
one lake.
Name of the database that comes out of the box with the Power Platform.
Excel.
Dataverse.
Very good. It's
Dataverse.
Dataverse, right?
Dataverse.
We have
Yeah.
seen it yesterday, right? So similarly, guys, the database which comes out of the box with Microsoft Fabric is OneLake. Okay? Getting it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Indrajit, can you please repeat once?
So guys, as you know, Dataverse is the out-of-the-box data storage solution in Power Platform, right? So
Okay.
similarly, data storage solution in Microsoft Fabric is OneLake. So in Power BI, you will be able to say OneLake also because OneLake is the centralized data management solution in Microsoft Fabric.
Okay.
Cool, clear with the data section of it, guys? What it is just a way to connect to the data sources, right?
But then what is the difference between one leg and Dataverse then?
You don't need to go into difference between OneLake and Dataverse. Okay, Dataverse is the in-house capacity of storing the data. OneLake is a service in Azure to store the data.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, where we will not be discussing OneLake and all because that is different thing altogether, different world of Fabric. I'm just giving you this knowledge for your knowledge. Okay, so that you are aware what is OneLake.
Okay.
Cool. So is it clear, guys? The data section of it, what it is?
Yes.
Cool. I will come to the queries. So here you have insertion section now. If you want to add new visual, just click on new visual and it will be added. Okay. And if you want to add a text box, click on text box, it will add a text box. If you click on more visual, you can add the visual from app source and my file. So basically, this is the tab which is responsible for visualizations. You can go ahead and add any visualizations from here. Like suppose I'm adding this pie chart. So here you can drag the values from the tables, from the data that you will be loading. We have not loaded any data yet, so we will be doing that. So let me go ahead and open a previously created report for the previous patch, and let me walk you guys through from there. So you will be able to see it in action, basically everything. Not project. Just a sec. PBX file. So we will be creating a similar report like this in the class, okay? Let it open. Yes, here you go. So guys, in data section, you will be able to see all the tables that we have loaded in the Power BI report. And these are the visualization section, right? So let me select a visual. This is the visual which is there. So here you will be able to see x-axis product category, y-axis counter product ID. And if you want to change the look and feel of this visual, so here you have format your visual pane. Click on this. From here, you will be able to see basically configure the setting of the visual and the general settings. So we will be discussing it in very detail. So this is just a session to make you guys familiar how to navigate in Power BI. Okay. So this is the visualization pane and this is the data pane. Clear guys, what will be there in the visualization pane? What will be there in the data pane?
Yeah.
So now
Yeah.
guys, these are the out of the box visuals. So now let me try to relate it with your cell phones. So if you are using any cell phone, let it be Android or Apple. So it is not only the fact like you can use only the applications which are pre-installed in your cell phones, right? You can install other applications also, right? Isn't it? Can you?
Yes, 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 yes.
With the help of App Store and Play Store, right? So similarly here also there are a lot other visuals which you can install from the app source. Either you can click on get more visuals or click on more visuals and from app source. So there are lots of visuals guys which are available. If you want to use them from the community, you go ahead, you can use it. Okay, getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
It is available freely or
Yeah, they are freely available.
okay.
Okay. So guys, now suppose your requirement is you want to see the data. What is in Flipkart sales laptop, right? Basically, while developing the report, you want to backtrack and see what is happening behind the scenes. So how you can see that? So guys, as of now, you are in which view? You are
Report view.
Report
Report.
view.
in report view. You will be able to see the visualizations. So if you want to backtrack and see the data, you have to navigate to table view. You will be able to see the backend data. Here you go. Right? Isn't it helpful?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. It is.
Yes.
So look, guys, you will be writing this much tax, this much tax. Okay, so we ready. Buckle up for next 2 weeks. So now, guys, now there are lots of tables, guys, right? So obviously these tables should be connected with each other, right? They will be connected with each other and interacting with each other, right? So for that you need to create relationship between the table. If you're not aware what are relationships, how to create, that is fine. So just keep in mind for now, relationship is a way to create two table virtually. To combine two tables virtually, not create, to combine two tables virtually. Okay. So how to create relationships? For that, you have the third view, which is called as model view. Here you go. Look, I have connected these two tables. Now, what is star? What is this arrow? We will be discussing in detail. Clear, guys? What this three view means?
Yes.
And similarly, in DAX view, if you want to go ahead and if you want to create any DAX and use it here, you can go ahead and run it here. Okay. What is DAX? What is evaluate top? And again, we will be discussing in detail. DAX is a data analysis expression. So basically, the kind of expression you were having in SQL, not in SQL, not in Excel. Basically, you will be writing expression to perform business logic on the data. Clear, guys? All these four things. What it is, what will happen.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yep.
understood.
Yes. Cool. So here you have pages, right? So in my report, I have 3 pages. So if you want to navigate, click on the page. This is the second page, and this is the third page. You can have as many pages in the report as per your requirement. So now, guys, when we are loading the data at that time, you will be performing a process called as ETL, extract, transform, load, right? So what is extract, transform, load? If you are not aware, that's fine. We are here to discuss that. So for that, if you want to see, click on transform data. So here you will be able to see the transformation window. Okay, so here you can see these are the tables. So before loading the data, whatever you were able to see in the table view, we have performed these many steps. This is the data cleaning stuff that we are doing. Okay. Obviously, we will be doing all these things from Monday onwards, but this is the data cleaning steps. These are all the tables. And again, like while loading the data, if you want to get the data from other sources, click on new source. It will again open the same thing, recent sources, and this is for manual tables. Okay, this is for data source setting means like this is for adding the data source credentials. Okay, this is for parameters. If you want to refresh the preview, as of now, the data is 51 days old. So then you can refresh it. In advanced editor, guys, you will be able to see the code which is getting generated behind the scenes, like for all the steps. You don't need to write even a single line of code, it will automatically create it for you. Getting it, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now, guys, if you want to make any changes in the data, like suppose you want to change the data type or remove the column, just right click here. If you want to remove, you can remove this column. If you want to delete other, keep this and delete all other column, you can say remove other columns. Only this column will be present. All other column will be deleted. Then duplicate column. Then if you want to remove duplicates from the row values, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to remove errors, you can do that. If you want to change the data type, you can simply click on the data type that you want to change. It will be changed. Then if you want to transform, you can do it like this. If you want to replace values, like suppose you want to replace null with 0 or something, you can do that. If you want to perform group by, you can do that. This is the fill operation, pivot, unpivot. We will be saying it, what it means, rename, drill down, add as query. So all these things you can perform. So these similar things can be performed here, like choose column, remove column, keep rows, remove rows, split column, right? Group by, use first row as header, replace values, merge queries, append queries. So all these are the data operations that you can perform, and we will be performing all these things in the next sessions. So then you have the transform window. In transform also, guys, similar things will be available. Group by again you can do from here, use first row as header, transpose, reverse rows, count rows, data type you can change. Automatically you can detect data type, rename, you can replace values, you can fill the data, you can pivot, unpivot, you can split the column again from here, you can format the column, you can extract the stuff, you can merge columns, you can parse, you can add some number related stuff like statistics, standard, scientific, date and time column. You can run your Python script, R script. Okay. Then in add column, you can create your own columns here, guys. You can create a custom column with the help of Power M query that we will be saying. You can create invoke custom column. You can create a conditional column. You can create an index column. You can create a duplicate column. You can extract again from the text. Again, the same things that you were doing in the transform, all the same things you can do here. These are the date and time operations. These are some AI visuals which you can do, AI insights. So in view, you will be able to see, you will be able to control the view of this. Suppose you don't want to see the column quality. You turn this off, the column quality is gone. This thing. You don't want to see the column distribution. Turn this on, off, it will be gone. You want to see the column profiling. Turn it on, the column profiling is here, which will tell you the count, error, distinct values, unique values, Okay. Then you have tools. If you want to diagnose like your report where it is taking a lot of time, you can start the diagnosis and you can do it. Guys, are you able to relate? Like what will happen where? Just in navigation. I'm not expecting you to be aware what is merge queries, what is append queries, what does happen in advanced editor. So basically, when we will be working on this from Monday onwards, at least when I will say, okay, guys, let's go ahead and change the data type of the column. So you will be able to relate, right? How you can change the data type of the column.
Yep.
Yes.
What about others? I got only two yes, guys.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Other than that, like what is this merge queries? What is this data source settings? What is this? What is this? How this advanced editor is doing? That all these things I will take care. So today's session is just to make you guys familiar with the Power BI desktop. So this is the transform window. So a visualization thing you have already seen. So guys, obviously you will be writing some calculations, right, for the business logic. So you can create your measures and columns. What is the difference between measures and columns? That obviously we will be discussing when we will be covering all these things in detail. But this is where you can create the measures and columns. So once your report development is complete, guys, you have to publish the report to your workspace, right? In the Power BI service. So to for that, you will just click on the publish. Then you can publish the report to the Power BI service. Then you have insert pane. In a insert pane, like you observed one thing, guys? Same thing you can do from multiple places, right? Isn't it? Like data type you can change from multiple tabs as well as by clicking on right click on the column. Have you observed that trend? Guys, have you?
Yes.
Yes.
Here also you can see, right? You can add visuals from here also, from home also, and from visualization pane also. Isn't it?
Okay.
These are AI visuals that we will cover. Okay. And this is the integration with other stuff. You can integrate with paginated report. You can integrate with Power Apps. You can integrate with Power Automate. And these are again the same thing. You can add a text. You can add buttons. You can add shapes in your Power BI reports. You can add a desktop image like some image which is already stored in your PC and you want to add in the Power BI report. You can go ahead and add it. Okay. Then you have modeling. So in modeling, guys, again, you can create relationships. You can create calculations with the help of column, table, and measures. So then you can mark the calendar table. You can refresh the page. Parameters. This is for security, guys, role-based security. So we will be seeing like how the role level security in Power BI work. So for this, these things are there. Then you have Q&A stuff like QA setup, language, linguistic schema. This is for natural language thing. Then you have view. So in view, guys, you will be able to see how your page looks like. If you want to have it in actual size, this is how it will be looking. Fit to page, fit to width. If you want to see the mobile layout, this is you can go ahead and add the pages in the mobile layout. So when you will be opening your report in mobile, it will look like this. Okay. Then grid line. If you will turn this on, here you can see like it is looking like this. Snap to grid, lock objects. When you will click lock objects, you will not be able to move anything. Everything will be locked. Okay. So this is the filter pane. So filter pane, guys, you can go ahead and add the filter. So if it is not available, not visible, you can turn it on and off from here. Okay. Similarly, you have bookmarks pane, selection pane, performance analyzer, and sync slicer. These are very important things we will be discussing in the course in dedicated session. Then in optimize, guys, you will be able to analyze your Power BI report performance and you can see which thing is taking a lot of time and you can go ahead and fix it. Then in help, all the documentation related stuff to Power BI. In about, you will be able to see your Power BI version. This is my March 2025 version. Okay. You will be able to see the guided learning training videos of Power BI blog, community, Power BI for developers, submit an idea, external tools, examples, consulting service. All these things are the learning stuff for Power BI if you want to see. Clear, guys? About Power BI desktop, the walkthrough.
Yes. Yes.
So now whatever we have covered in almost 1 hour, this thing, all the things we will be covering in the next 2 weeks in very detail. And you will be able to see a working Power BI report like this. Like here, if you see, I am clicking on table view and the view is changing. So you will be seeing it. How to do that. I'm clicking on clear slices. All the slices are getting unchecked, right? I'm clicking on Intel. It is going to the other page. I'm clicking on AMD. It is coming back to this. So this is the project that we will be working in the class, and similar thing I will be expecting you to work in the class, work after the class. Okay. Just one call out, guys, that I want to make. Like there are very, I would say, less people who are able to complete projects on time. So I am expecting like all of you, the people who will be enrolling, please go ahead and complete your projects on time. As I'm telling you from day one itself, only thing that I need from you is the commitment to go ahead, practice the stuff, complete the classroom projects, and complete the homework projects. Okay. Can I expect this thing from you guys?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. I know like most of you will be working professionals. You will be not having that much time to do it. But guys, believe me, if you are taking out 1 hour from your schedule to work on projects, on practicing the stuff, it will be more than enough. 1 hour in weekdays, and obviously more hours you have to put in the weekends. At least 3-4 hours, that's fine. And again, guys, this is not the thing that you will be doing for your entire life, right? Only 4 months, and it will help you a lot in your career.
Yes.
Okay. So, guys, that is it that I have planned for the day. So now you guys can go ahead and ask any question. Any question. It can be anything. We can discuss and then we can end the class. We are into doubt session now, guys.
Do you have any classes for tomorrow and day after tomorrow?
No, Saturday, Sunday is off. Classes will be Monday to Friday, 8 to 9:30.
So regarding AI, will continue?
Sorry.
No, the same class will continue for 4 to 5 days.
The same class will continue. The first 5 classes will be free, and from sixth class onward, you guys have to enroll. Got it, Jyoti?
Yeah.
Good.
So you're going to cover up paginated reports also?
Yes, yes,
Output
definitely. We will be
paginated.
covering it.
Okay. And then Power Platform and all means like Power Apps. Does it cover like?
Priyanka, have you watched the first session?
No, actually. I'll go through that.
Yes, yes, we will be covering everything that you're saying, but this is my request to you to go ahead and watch the first
Sure.
session.
Sure, I'll
Okay?
go. Yeah.
Yeah, because from there, all these things will be cleared and you will be able to see, learn a lot more than us.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah,
Good.
sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Sunita.
So I am seeing the Copilot in this Power BI desktop. Can we use in this data set the Copilot?
Yeah, this Copilot is nothing but it is a helping tool to generate the text, generate the power effects and all. Look, like let me say, This is here, right?
Yeah.
Write a DAX query. So now it is asking you on which workspace you want to write. Basically, you have to enable it in your workspace and then it will be able to write the query on top of that. So just consider it like the way you give instructions to ChatGPT, right? And it
Yes.
will give you the answers. So this is the similar way. They have integrated the normal Copilot here. And if you can see, this is the preview feature. So when it is preview, that means Microsoft is still working on it. They have launched it for testing. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
So I will be showing you in the course like how to use it and all.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Cool. Yeah,
Indrajit, I have
Tushar.
one question.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, you showed your plan. We will
Uh-huh.
start from Power BI. So my question is, why don't you start with SQL first? Because from there only we can extract the data, no?
No. SQL basically not required. Why? Because our data, we will be having the data in Excel and we will store it in some of the cloud
Mm-hmm.
stuff like in SharePoint or OneDrive, and then we will be creating the stuff on top of that. So then once your report development is completed, so
Mm-hmm.
then tell me one thing, Tushar.
Huh.
Now we have created this report which is running on the SharePoint,
Yeah.
Excel file which is creating on the SharePoint. Now
Yes.
suppose that data is moved into SQL Server.
Hmm.
What you need to change? Do you need to develop the entire report again?
Maybe not.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, it is correct. You will not be developing the entire report again.
Yes.
You will be just changing the connection, right? Instead of pointing it to SharePoint, now you will point to the SQL Server.
Yeah, but when this data source on which we are developing the reports, that might be the Excel file only, no? So if there is a data source is like on a some server or something like another other, so in that case we required some SQL queries to extract the data.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. SQL queries, you will be requiring select, you will be aware about, you need to be aware about SQL,
Hmm.
select statements,
Yes.
like how to filter the data, how
Yes.
to join and all. So
Yes.
that we will be covering in the course, but it is not a prerequisite for Power BI or Power Platform. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, basically what I'm saying, there are more important things that you should know first rather than SQL. That is just a top up. Okay,
Hmm.
for Power Platform developer. So it is not a prerequisite or mandatory thing to go ahead with.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I will be telling you. So what is the main idea that when I ask you this question? Because you can learn entire Power Platform and then once, like suppose your data is sitting in SQL, you can go ahead and you can change the connection, right? So
Hmm.
similarly, I will be telling you how to write select, how to filter the data, how to perform the join operation, but a little later in the course.
Okay.
Okay. We will cover the critical things first,
Hmm.
then the good to have.
Okay, might be I'm not means from your answer I'm 50% clear, but I am sure like once the course will begin, I'll be means
Yeah.
hmm,
You rest assured, Tushar, just follow every class,
yes,
practice it, and then let's discuss at the
yeah,
end. Like if something
yeah,
you felt okay, it is missed or something, I'm definitely okay to discuss.
sure. Once we begin,
Okay.
then I'll get the proper answer of this my question actually.
Yeah, definitely. That's fine.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Cool. Yes. Anyone else? Anything, guys?
One more question, sorry. So
Yeah.
when we will get the premium subscription of this once we start our paid course?
Yeah,
The
Tushar,
very
like,
first
look,
day?
there is a team which will generate all the licenses for you guys. So
Uh-huh.
once you guys will enroll, so in 1 or 2 days, it will be generated for all of you in the bulk, and then
Mm-hmm.
it will be shared with you over the email.
Okay. And the
Okay?
timing would be same across the course,
Yeah, it will be same, 8 a.m. every day.
8 a.m. every day.
Yeah, Monday to Friday. When I say every day, every working day.
Yes, yes. And Saturday and Sunday there is no class, even or not on a not a doubt session, right?
No, Saturday, Sunday, no class.
Mm-hmm.
And what I expect is you go ahead. Only one thing to share, like this is the trend that I have observed in the previous batches. Even Saturday, Sunday is off, then also people have backlogs. Okay.
Yeah,
So I don't want all of you to have be into that situation where you are working on backlogs and you're not getting times to work on your projects.
correct,
Okay.
correct.
So please make use of your time judicially.
Mm-hmm.
Plan your day, plan your weekends to
Mm-hmm.
get rid of backlogs and the projects.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. And if you, I mean, during our course, if you tell us like this, these are some of the interview questions, so we can able to note it down somewhere, and we can
Yeah,
likewise
yeah, I
we
will be
can make a
telling you
notes of it.
guys. I will be telling you guys with the course itself, and we will be having dedicated frequently asked interview question and scenarios session at the end of the course also.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Anyone else? Veronica, Devi, Dinesh, iPhone 5, Joel, MDS5N, Muhammad Azan, Urgan, Nagababu, Prakash, Prem, Priyanka, Abdul, Santosh. Guys, can I make one request to all of you?
Yes, Indra.
Yes, 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 please.
Can you please change your display name like I'm able to see iPhone MDSYN? So it is not good to call with this name, right? If I want to interact, I am not aware what is the real name of these people. Guys, can you please do that in the next class? Cool. Yeah, Morgan, you were getting unmuted, please. Go ahead.
Nothing, nothing as of now.
All
But
good?
I have some doubts. I have some doubts, but the project has not yet started, so I'm not asking any doubts as of now. In spite of this one,
Okay, what are
appending
those
the
doubts?
queries,
Is it related to Power BI project or it is related to Power BI?
it's related to Power BI itself.
Yeah, tell me let's see like what are your doubts? If it is something
Uh,
that we are gonna
see,
cover,
yeah.
yeah, tell me.
Currently, I'm working with Big Basket.
Uh-huh.
So as a replenishment MIS guy, so here we have a huge data set, and I
Okay.
handle almost 120 dark stores, pan Bangalore.
Okay.
So and we have a assortment of 33,000 unique assortment.
Okay.
So when we combine all this, we are getting somewhere around 40 lakh unique assortment all put together. I need to append or merge in one
Okay.
single
Table.
file. So is that,
Okay.
yeah, is that possible? And how would we go? And we have multiple duplicate entries as well.
Okay.
So will we be able to remove it?
Yes, you will be able to remove the duplicate entries from Power BI itself, and 40 lakhs is fine. What is the size of data set?
Uh, Probably
1 GB, 2 GB.
it is 800 MB.
Yeah, that is fine. Basically, although it will be very technical, so Power BI has its own optimization engine, which you can say encryption engine. So when you will
Okay,
load that 800 MB data into this, so Power BI will automatically encrypt it, okay, to a lower
fine.
size. And then you can go ahead, you can perform merge queries, append queries. Again, we will be having a dedicated session on merge and append queries. Okay. So there I will
Okay,
be letting you know in detail what is merge queries, what is the difference between merge and append queries, what are the different types of merge queries that you can perform. And coming to your removing your duplicate stuff, that also we will be discussing. Like if you have seen today, like when I right clicked on the column, there was a column, there was an option called as remove
Yes, yes,
duplicate, right?
yes.
Yeah. So all these things you will be able to do, Morgan, for sure.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Anyone else? Anything, guys?
Hi. Uh, Hello.
Sir, what is the semantic model?
Semantic model is nothing. It is the data set. Previously, it was called as data set. Now it is called as semantic model. Now, what is data set? Data set is nothing but the data on which your Power BI report is created. This is the data set. All student, common access, the collection of tables. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Basically, semantic model consists of these two things, model view and table view. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Indresh. Hello.
Hi, Prem. Your voice is very low.
Can you hear me now?
It is still low. What you can speak, I will try to understand what you're saying.
Okay, we have dedicated section for Power BI. So how depth we can learn this course?
You have dedicated
Just
session for Power BI. Then what is the
no.
next
We
thing?
have dedicated course in Power BI, right? For in KSR. So how we will learn in this course? How much we will learn this?
That is different course altogether. That is full stack Power BI. In that you will be having almost, I would say, 20-30 sessions for SQL. Okay. That
Okay.
is, if I will tell you in one word, that is data analyst course. Okay.
Mhm.
This is
Okay.
Power Platform course. So there, like in Power BI, again, you will be having a lot more sessions than this course. Here, I will be covering everything which is required being a Platform developer. There, like you will be covering all the visualizations also in detail. So here I will
Mhm.
be telling you only few visualizations because all of them are same, right? I don't want to stretch the course to 200 days, right? So we have to
Okay.
equally optimize it and generate the equal output. So there, like the purpose is different. There you will be preparing for data analyst. So there you will be doing basically the entire PhD in Power BI.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. So what about other tools? That and all we will cover everything, or there are also some level we will in
When I say
Power Apps
everything,
or
we are covering everything in Power BI also. It is not just like I am not covering each and every visual. I'm not doing that hand holding.
no, not about Power BI. Power Apps and Power Automate and all we will see everything, right?
There also we will be covering everything.
Mm.
And when I say Power BI, we are covering everything in Power BI also. Here, I'm not going ahead and I'm not going, I will not take every visual and tell you, okay, guys, if you want to change this thing, this is how this visual will work. That thing you guys can explore, right? Once I will tell you, okay, this is how the visual will work. This is how x-axis can be done. This is how y-axis can be done. This is how you will be able to see the labels. This is how you can change the color. So other than that, similar thing will be available in other visuals also, right?
Yes, yes, okay.
You guys are getting my point, what I'm saying.
Yes, yes, I got it.
Yeah. So this is the difference between those two courses. That is purely towards Power BI, SQL, and cloud. Like you will be learning some Azure services like ADF and all. This is Power Platform course. Here you will be learning Power BI and the other Power Platform stuff. Getting it?
Yeah, I got it.
Everyone clear? What is the difference between those two courses?
Yes.
Yeah, Prakash, go ahead, please.
Indra, so I wanted to show you or discuss with you some interview questions which I gave recently for one of the company. I gave interview.
Okay.
So yeah, I noted down on the interview questions the
Yeah,
as
so
part
can
of
you
that
share me in
interview.
the WhatsApp? Because if we
Sure.
will discuss here, the people will get confused. They are just beginning, right?
Fine, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
By the way, guys, Prakash is my previous student. This is his last module, Power BI. So he's preparing for interviews.
Yes. So this is
Cool.
one of
Prakash,
the
you go
senior.
ahead and ping me in the WhatsApp. I
Sure,
will
sure.
reply you there. Or if
Okay.
possible, we can connect over the call and discuss.
Yeah, if you are not able to, means my wording is not able to understand, maybe we can connect.
Yeah, definitely we can go ahead and do that.
Right, right.
Okay.
Thank you, Indra.
Thank you. Cool. Anyone else, guys? Anything?
Indra, what we are going to cover in the next session?
Next session, we will be starting with Power BI project. Today, you have seen the walkthrough of the product, right? We will start with the Power BI project and we will start working on Power BI now.
Okay, from the very means we then when we are introducing this power automate and everything, because today you given the overthrough of the power BI, na? So I was thinking like in the next session we will cover the power automate, power pages and everything.
No, 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 it does not work like that. So now, for every module that we will be starting, we will start with the overview and then we will complete that module. And then we will start with the next module. So now we started with Power BI. Now tomorrow onwards, we will start with the Power BI actual projects, and then we will complete everything with the projects, and then we will start with the next module, which will be your Power Apps module.
Because this 5 days is a free session, na? So
No, even if it is free, we will be covering the actual content, actual 5 sessions. So
okay,
when you will enroll, the next session will be the sixth session. It will not be the first session again.
okay, no, get it.
Indra, is
Okay.
this a third class or fourth class?
Sorry, come again.
Is this a third class or fourth class?
No, it's a second class.
Okay, more three are free, right?
Three are there. So it is not like that, like this is the free classes. We will tell you guys, okay, the free content. It is the actual course, actual 5 sessions.
Yeah, got it.
When you will enroll, the next session will be the sixth session. Okay. Anyone else? Anything? Guys, ask as many questions as you can. Don't think like I'm going to judge or someone is there to judge you. This is just a class where you are there to clear your doubts, to learn the stuff. Whatever you have in your mind, go ahead and ask it. It can be anything. No questions? All clear? Yes, no?
Yes, Indra, done from my side.
Okay.
One small one. What is JSON files? That will
JSON
not.
file, JSON file is nothing, Priyanka. It's a format of the file, format of the data, basically. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Okay. So
Okay.
there you will be having key value pairs like name, Priyanka,
Yeah.
course, Power Platform Developer, contact number 3468943, like that. Similarly, in that object, similar information will be available for other people also. Like name Dinesh, course, Power Platform Developer, contact number 1234567 8, like this. So this is the format of data. And good
Okay.
news is you will be working with the JSON format in Power Automate.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
Hi, Indrajit.
Hi.
I worked as front-end developer for 7 years, and I
Okay.
have a gap of 2 years. Now I want to switch to Power Apps. So
Okay.
is that required to learn Power BI so deep? So because
Look,
I'm
Shweta,
interested in Power Apps.
all the modules are independent of each other. Okay. As you have career gap, now you are not doing anything, right?
Yes.
So basically, we will be charging you the same. Okay, first thing.
Okay.
Second thing, you are free, right? And you
Yeah.
are learning Power BI also. So you go ahead and enroll from Power BI itself because you will be learning something extra, right? And you will, if something comes in the job description, like you should know Power BI also. So you will be having that added advantage. So why to leave that behind? It's just a matter of 15 sessions, right? So go ahead, enroll in the Power BI itself, learn Power BI because in Power Apps, when I will be telling you integration with Power BI, so then at least you will be able to understand, okay, what is Power BI service, how I'm doing the integration, right? So
Okay.
all these things will make sense for you.
So but we go deep in Power Apps, right? We'll
Everywhere we
learn.
will go deep. Let it be
Okay.
Power BI, let it be Power Apps.
Okay.
Okay. You you don't need to worry about how much deep we are going or something. Everything that we will cover, it is as per the market standards, as per the concepts that I have worked in last 7 years.
Okay.
Okay. It is not like that touching the things and then saying, okay, it is completed. Let it be Power BI, let it be your other stuff. We will be going deep.
Okay.
There is a difference between going deep and doing the hand holding.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. When
Yes.
when I say going deep, then that means I will be covering everything. Okay. So
Okay.
if I will go ahead and if I will tell you, okay, if I will do the hand hold, okay, this click here, click there, click do this, do that, then how you will survive in the job? You can't, right?
Yes.
So you are here to get the skills and you will get the actual skills which are required. Okay?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah, understood. Thank you.
Thank you.
Indra, I'm sending you those questions. Okay. Actually, I have answered a few of and few of things partially I have answered.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe just I'm
Go
giving
ahead.
I'm sending you all the questions only. Okay, na?
Yes,
Maybe
yes, yes.
the questions uh, looks like which I have answered also. But thing is, the some other ways the interviewer expecting some things. Okay. Uh, Maybe through
Did
in
not
the
got it
WhatsApp only
yet.
we can discuss. Sorry.
Yeah, I did not got it. Okay, so Prakash, like, would you be like to clear the doubt of the people, like how much deep we are going? You have, as you have attended almost every module.
Yes, I have. Yeah, yeah. Uh, Hello, able to hear me, right?
Yes, yes, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah. See, from Indra point of view, you will get uh whatever you are expecting more than that only you will get it. Okay, that is for sure. So all real time things he will share and very basic from very basic things to the advanced things he will cover. So, and interview prospective also he will tell you the then and there while teaching something, if something is important it will be asked in the interview, or he came across anywhere, so just then and there he will tell. So he need some kind of topic if it is important, and at the end we'll have the dedicated session for interview questions also.
Okay.
And for the doubts, whatever the doubts you ask, he addresses very patiently. He'll give time first, so he'll not skip anything. So
Okay.
that's what of my experience. Yeah.
Thank you, Prakash, for sharing your
Yeah.
experience. So, guys, are you clear now? You are
Yes.
hearing from the
Yes.
Yes.
guy who is with me from last 4 months.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, Indra.
Okay. So, just one thing, please complete your projects and cover everything. Other than that, leave everything on me. You have trusted your organizational institute from last 20 years, right? In your graduation, in your high school, senior secondary, and all. Just give me your 4 months. Okay? Make sense?
Sure, sure, sure.
Yes.
Cool.
Indrajit,
Yes,
one more
yes.
thing.
Yes, Morgan. Tell me.
I'm planning to purchase a new laptop. Could you suggest me the configuration with the for higher end,
Higher
which would
end,
be
look,
helpful?
Morgan, it is not required a very high-end laptop because mostly this is Power BI desktop is the only tool, and Power BI, no, Power Automate desktop. These are the two desktop tools that you will be using. Other than that, everything will be in the browser. It is in the cloud. So no need to have high-end laptop. Obviously, like when
Okay.
you will be, when you start working, there are very high chances like you will not even touch that laptop. Okay.
Yes, of course.
So I also did a mistake. I purchased MacBook M2. It costed around 1 lakh, I guess, few years back, and I have not even basically touched it for 10 hours. It is lying in my cupboard. So, and one
So
more thing, like if you are going ahead and if you are purchasing Mac, this Power BI will not work in Mac. For
no,
this, you need
I'm
Windows
not
laptop.
familiar with Mac actually.
So, which laptop I am using that I can tell you. For the classes, I am
Okay.
using HP laptop, which is a
Okay.
very basic one, i3 laptop with I could say i3 13th generation with 16 GB of RAM, and it works very fine. And it costed me around 30,000.
i3
i3 to
and
13th generation, and it works fine. If you are purely looking for classes or Power Platform course, this is what you can go ahead and buy. Let me show you the configuration. If you want, you can take a snapshot of it.
so is it okay? Because even we have a this one.
It is perfectly fine, smooth. This is the configuration, 16 GB RAM, 13th generation Intel, and this is what the hard disk is.
1 month one.
It works smooth. If you are only looking for classes, don't waste your hard-earned money. So go ahead and buy this. This is fine. I purchased it, I guess, 1 year back almost, and it is working perfectly fine for me. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Cool. Prakash, where you have shared the questions, I did not got it.
No. Still, I
Please
did not
share it.
share it. Okay, share.
Okay, you have the number of mine, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Go ahead and share it with me. I will discuss with you over the call also.
Over the call, okay. Because few things required some discussion, okay. Because I have answered the things, okay.
Yeah.
But
I'm getting it. I'm getting it. No worries. We will discuss.
yeah.
Cool. Okay. Anyone else? Any doubts, guys?
Indra, this Power BI and Power Apps and everything, it is only work with the Windows, right? Not
Yeah.
on MacBook.
Look, Power Apps will work because that is just a browser thing, right? Working in cloud. So this
Uh-huh.
Power BI desktop will not work in Mac. You will not be able to install Power BI desktop in Mac.
Okay. Apart from this Power Platforms that we can access through Mac as well.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Cool, guys. If nothing else, we can end the session here. Can we?
Yes.
Yes, Indra.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you,
thank
guys.
you.
Have a good weekend ahead. Let's meet again on Monday.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.